early start to the month of February, but appropriately chilly for the first day of the new month. 31, the temperature right now in the Triangle feels like 23 degrees at the moment with that wind factored in. But the wind's going to help us out as we head through the day. So just put up with some little chill in the air as you're heading out the door this morning. Temperatures around or just above freezing in some spots, way above. Holly Springs, you're at 38, 37 degrees in Fuquay Varina, but a degree below in Raleigh. 35 degrees right now in Durham. Again, not too bad for early February. We're in the low to mid 30s around Fayetteville as well. Cumberland County, all the temperatures checking in between 33 and 36. The wind chills, though, there's some more variation. Feels like 23 in Raleigh, 24 Henderson, 25 in South Hill. Some spots, the air temperature and wind chill are identical, so it's not that windy everywhere. The wind will pick up as we go through the day. It'll be flat out breezy by midday and through the afternoon, but the wind will be from the southwest. It's a nice warm direction. So we're going to warm up by leaps and bounds this morning to the mid-50s by noon, right around 60 for highs this afternoon. Just a few clouds moving in, but no problems if you want to go for a good dog walk later on today. Take advantage of those warm temperatures. With that wind, just keep a good grip on the leash for your lighter dogs so they don't, take off on you. Let's take a look at hour-by-hour temperatures elsewhere across central North Carolina, and we're going to warm up nicely everywhere. Around 50 by noon towards the Virginia state line, but already the upper half of the 50s towards Fayetteville, and you'll climb farther into the 60s for highs this afternoon. Mid to upper 50s farther north of the Triangle, but that also is not bad at all for the first day of February. Our next weather maker taking shape to our northwest, still in the process of kind of getting its act together, but it will as we head through the next 24 hours. We're not going to see much in terms of change today, just those breezy, warm conditions. A gradual increase in cloud cover by late this afternoon and this evening, but the rain still hanging out to our northwest by 10 o'clock this evening, and then it moves in after midnight with the heaviest rain falling. Well, most of us are sleeping. Us morning news types will be waking up as the heaviest rain is falling, but still there's going to be some light to moderate showers around central North Carolina for that Friday morning commute. So plan on that taking a little bit longer than usual. But despite what Futurecast is showing with some snowflakes mixed in, we do not anticipate any icy road conditions. Temperatures will stay above freezing. The ground will be wet and relatively warm, and that's going to prevent, even if there are a few flakes in the air, prevent them from sticking to the ground. Then we clear out, but temperatures are going to take a big old dive. It's going to be a cold air mass settling in tomorrow afternoon, and it's going to stick around through the first half of the weekend. But we do warm up enough on the second half of the weekend for all rain showers to move in by Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening. An even warmer pattern next week, maybe even warm enough for some rumbles of thunder by the time Wednesday rolls around. We'll keep an eye on that over the next several days.